All right, so we're on to number 2. These are my favorites. They are quadratics, and they say solve for x, and they have something like this. 2x squared plus 5x plus 3. Actually, no, we're going to do minus 3. That'll work. Okay. In something like this, you usually want to check, do 5, 2, 5, and 3 have anything in common? Absolutely not this time. So we might need to use our generic rectangle to factor. So 2x squared, negative 3. In the top, we're going to get these two multiplied. So negative 3 times 2x squared gives you negative 6x squared. And we want something that adds to 5x. Uh-oh, I messed this guy up. Nothing adds to 5x and then multiplies. Oh, wait. No, you're right. So there's one thing that adds to 5x and multiplies to negative 6x, and that would be negative x. We need a negative to give it negative, and then 6x. So 6x minus x gives you 5, and 6x times negative x gives you negative 6x squared. If you ever forget, this one is squared, and so we need to multiply an x times an x in order to get that squared. So 6x goes here, and negative x goes here. Looking at this, what do these have in common? They have a negative in common. 3 doesn't have anything in common with x, so it's just a negative 1 that they have in common. Here, 2 times x squared, and then 6 times x, we end up having an x in common and also a 2 in common. And then this side is just x, and here we have in common a 3. And double check, 2x times 3 is 6x, 3 times negative 1 is negative 3, and we have our factors. So we have 2x minus 1 times x plus 3 equals 0. We're not done yet. You need to make a t-bar if you want to separate it that way and solve these individually. 2x minus 1 equals 0, and x plus 3 equals 0. Solve these separately, subtract 3, x equals negative 3. And then here, add 1, and you get 2x equals 1, divide by 2, and you get x equals 1/2. Okay, we have 2 solutions because it's a quadratic. I want you to try one more for me. I want you to try, how about 3x squared minus 5x minus 2. So try this one on your own and then check the second video for the solution. Try this on your own.